Stop for a second. Look at where you are right now. Is this really the life you dreamed of? We scroll. We waste hours. We tell ourselves, tomorrow I'll change. But tomorrow never comes. Deep down, you know you're capable of more. That voice inside you, that's not doubt. That's your inner strength, shouting to be heard. Today is the day you wake up. Not next week. Not next year. Now. Because the old version of you, the one that makes excuses, has to die, so the real you can finally be born. Look at your daily routine. Be honest. How much of it is automatic? Wake up late. Check your phone. Rush through the day. Repeat. That's not life. That's a loop. And loops don't build kings. They build prisoners. If you want to rebuild yourself, you must first break the pattern. Cut off the habits that keep you weak. Delete that toxic app. Stop wasting nights on things that don't matter. Say no more often. Every time you break one old pattern, you lay the foundation for the new you. Remember this. You can't build a skyscraper on a rotten foundation. Destroy what's rotten. Build what's strong. Growth hurts. Change things. Transformation is uncomfortable. That's why most people never do it. They'd rather stay the same. Safe, numb, average. But not you. You're different. You're listening right now because you know pain is part of the process. Muscles grow by tearing. Diamonds form under pressure. And character? Character is built through struggle. When it hurts, remind yourself, this pain is not punishment. It's construction. It's rebuilding. It's the cost of becoming unbreakable. Your mind is the architect of your life. If your thoughts are weak, your life will collapse. So start with your mindset. Tell yourself, I can, I will, I must. Feed your brain with strength. Books, mentors, lessons. Guard it from poison. Gossip, negativity, fear. Every day, repeat this truth. I am not who I was yesterday. I am rebuilding. I am rising. Because when your mind changes, your entire life follows. Motivation is temporary. It's a spark. It feels good, but it fades. Discipline is a fire. It keeps burning when motivation dies. Don't wait to feel like it. Act, even when you don't feel ready. Train when you're tired. Work when it's boring. Show up when no one's clapping. That's how you rebuild yourself. Brick by brick. Action by action. Day after day. Discipline is the backbone of kings. Sometimes, to rebuild yourself, you have to disappear. Log out. Step back. Be alone. Isolation is not weakness. It's strategy. When you're alone, you hear your own thoughts. You learn who you are without distractions. And you sharpen yourself in silence. The world may not understand, but that's fine. You're not building for them. You're building for you. When you come back, you will be unstoppable. Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future. The people around you are either your anchors or your wings. If you're serious about rebuilding yourself, you can't afford dead weight. Cut off the energy drainers. Surround yourself with builders, dreamers, grinders, people who push you higher, people who remind you of your worth. Because rebuilding isn't just about you. It's about the environment you choose to grow in. Your body is your temple. It's your machine. It's your armor. And if it's weak, everything else crumbles. So move, train, eat clean, sleep deep, not for vanity, not for likes, but for strength, for energy, for life. Because when your body is strong, your mind follows. And when your mind is sharp, your spirit soars. A king doesn't neglect his throne, and your body is your throne. Rebuilding isn't just mental or physical. It's financial. It's purposeful. Money matters, not because it buys happiness, but because it buys freedom. But money without purpose, that's just empty greed. So build wealth, but tie it to something greater. A mission, a vision, a life that means something. Because true kings don't chase money. They use money to build legacy. Fear is a lock on your potential, and courage is a key. What are you scared of? Failure? Judgment? The unknown? Face it. Run toward it. Because on the other side of fear is the life you've been dreaming of. Fear is a signal. It means you're on the edge of growth, and that's exactly where you belong. When you stack discipline, mindset, strength, purpose, and courage, you become unstoppable. You stop waiting for chances. You start creating them. You stop asking for permission. You start taking control. You stop living small. You start living like the king. You were always meant to be. Unstoppable, unshakable, unbreakable. That's who you're becoming. Look at yourself, not the old version, the one that doubted, wasted, hid. No, look at the new you, the one who rose from the rubble, the one who rebuilt, the one who fought through the fire and came out gold. This is your moment. This is your time. It's not about being perfect. It's about being rebuilt, stronger, smarter, hungrier. So say it with me. It's time to rebuild myself. And this time, nothing will stop you.